shares of Tesla. Keep in mind that the Vanity Day is September 22nd. That's really the next key inflection point, though. Lucid Air's debut and comments from some people saying, well, Peter Rawlinson, he built the Model S. He's the father of the... He worked on Model S. So it'll be interesting to see what he has to say about the Lucid Air in the future.
Phil, speaking of tweets, we probably would not have ordinarily talked about Hindenburg's short call on Nikola, but now that Trevor Milton has said he would respond in a...
Close this bitch down, nigga. And I made that nigga, these people had sent him some money and shit.
Oh shit. Oh god! Oh god! Ah! Oops.
That was...
Oh.
You guys okay?
You guys alright? You guys okay? Oh.
God,
We're okay.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, I cannot believe I did that. Oh my goodness.
What the f? Why is he driving in the middle? Dude. No, this guy he's out of it. He's gonna cause a wreck.
Oh, yeah, he's gonna cause a wreck.
He's not even pulling over.
I don't think he even knows.
How do you not know? You got like fucking cop cars behind you. Dude, he's not stopping.
Nope. He's like, fuck that.
Is he going?
Finally.
Okay. For him. How is he still not gonna stop? Okay, he's stopping. Is he stopping?
I think so.
Yeah, I think so. He's still going.
Wait, am I allowed to pass? Oh, he's
Okay, he's stopping.
Yeah, I think I'm following a drunk driver right now.
Where are you at?
I am on 419 heading south towards Womelsdorf. We are now passing Christmas Village Road right now.
Okay, and what kind of vehicle is this?
It is a white Ford F, maybe 250 or 150, I'm not sure.
And it's all over the roadway, or what's going on?
Oh yeah, he almost hit someone head on. I got it on Dashcam. He's over the yellow line right now as we speak.
Okay. And you believe he might be intoxicated?
There is a dog in the car, so that could potentially be it, but I mean, he's almost hit a couple cars at this point, so.
So he's drifted over into oncoming traffic?
Yeah, multiple times. He's doing it again right now.
Okay. And your name? Alright. Mitchell, what are you passing now?
We're actually about to come into Womelsdorf. In about 30 seconds, we'll be coming into the intersection of Womelsdorf, 419 and 422. I can tell you which direction he goes from there.
Alright. We're letting the officer know there is an officer in the area. Just let me know if he turns at that light.
He is going straight through it right now, so I'd be willing to bet he's going to follow 419 south. He hasn't went in over the line for about 2 miles now.
Okay.
So who knows, it could just be the dog, I don't know, but it definitely was pretty egregious there earlier on. He's doing it again now, yeah, something's going on with him.
And he's going into the borough, passing Mill Road and things like that?
Yeah, we're passing, my GPS went off when I called you guys, but we're passing Franklin Street.
Okay.
And I'm
Alright, I'm gonna have to transfer you out to state because state police is covering Womelsdorf right now.
Okay.
Okay, just bear with me, okay?
Alright, sounds good.
State police ready, use your branch.
Hello.
For the transfer this driver.
Okay.
What's going on, Mitchell?
He actually made a right, and he also made a fake turn signal, like he was going left, and then he went right, so I think he knows I'm tailing him. Cam, I think he's pulling into his house right now, actually, so I'm just going to continue to go straight. He pulled into Tulpe View, River Bend Estates.
Okay.
That's where
You said he almost hit oncoming traffic?
Yeah, he did.
Okay. Where's the last place that you saw him there?